Okay, the next chapter is what? Which one?
The Tiger King.
Oh, it is deleted. It's not there in the codes. Cut it. Delete the
Okay,
chapter.
ma'am.
Next to it. Then next to it is.
And this is also related now.
Yes, Journey to the End. This is also deleted. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then which one?
Ma'am.
Good morning,
The
Anush.
enemy.
Good morning, beta. Next one is
The enemy.
the enemy. One of the most important chapters. Okay. Like Indigo we had done, I told you Indigo is the important chapter. Similarly, enemy. It is a very long chapter, but yes, though it's a very long one, but it's very important. Okay. Beta, had I given you the questions of the third level?
No, ma'am.
I did not give you.
Ma'am, also the last poem question is not given by
Aunt Jennifer's.
Yes, ma'am. A Thing of Beauty and Aunt Jennifer.
Okay, okay, that I'll give afterwards. But right now, you can take. First, I'll just tell you a short summary and then you take the questions, okay? Right, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So now what? Getting it better?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this man who was thrown on the sea coast, you know, though the doctor stopped the bleeding, right? He was Dr. Sadao and his wife was Hannah. They had their house on the sea coast. Clear or not? Once Dr. Sadao and his wife, they were there in the veranda when they saw somebody had come out from the sea, you know, staggering, not able to balance himself. They thought it might be a fisherman, okay, who might have lost his boat. The boat might have been drowned, so he was being thrown by the sea waves to the shore, to the coast. Now, they were not ready to take him. Why? Because if they are going to shelter him, they would be considered as traitors. Again, they thought that if we will hand him over to the police, okay, we would be, sorry, this man, he would die because of injuries. The police is going to torture him so much that he would certainly die, surely die, because we all know prisoners of war, you know, they are very much tortured. They are too much tortured, okay? So they think that if he had been whole, if he wouldn't have been injured, we would have handed him to the police. But at this condition, when he was badly injured, you know, they cannot hand him over to the police. Then they think that the best thing is we will throw him again. They would throw him again into the water. Okay. तो ऐसा कुछ सोचते हैं. Now, Hannah, she says that she tells Sadao that if you are able to throw him into the water, surely you can. Okay. But she refuses to touch this man. Even Dr. Sadao, he was not able to throw this man into the water. And lastly, what happens? They bring this man to their house. Clear? They bring him to their house. Though they had few servants in the house, they had a gardener, they had a cook, they had a nanny who used to take care of the children, Yumi, okay, the caretaker of the children. And they were very much worried about the servants also. Ki servants, you know, they are going to object if we are going to shelter this prisoner of war. But they did not have any option. And being a doctor, okay, Dr. Sadao cannot let a person die. Do you know the pledge that is taken by the doctors? What is the pledge taken by the doctors? What is the pledge taken by the doctors, Vita? What pledge to do?
Ma'am, that
Yes.
Ma'am, they
Yes.
that they should
will
save the life of the people.
The first and foremost duty of a doctor is to save the life of a person, irrespective of the caste, creed, gender, religion, anything, okay? Their main duty is to
nationality.
save the life of a person. So it was the duty of Dr. Sadao to save the life of the person. And that is why he brings him to his house. And there he notices that if this man is not operated, surely he would die. Okay. So anyhow, he operates this man, takes out the gun. Okay. Takes out, not the gun, I'm sorry, takes out the bullet, okay, that was there inside the wound, and anyhow he is being cured, he is being saved. Clear? Now this man, he was brought into the house, and he was brought into the room of Dr. Sadao's father, who was a true Japanese. Now this, though the war was going on, but Dr. Sadao, he was not sent with the troops. Why he wasn't sent with the troops? There were two reasons behind it, okay. One reason was the general, he was undergoing a treatment. He did not have trust on any other doctor except Dr. Sadao. So he might need an emergency operation anytime. That was the main reason Dr. Sadao was not sent with the troops. And second reason was Dr. Sadao was discovering a medicine that would clean the wound, okay, that would entirely clean the wound, right? That was the reason. Two reasons were there. So now he was brought into the house, he was being operated. The servants, they did not like it, and they leave the job and go away. Hannah and Dr. Sadao, they did not try to stop him. Now every day both of them were in lot of anxiety, lot of tension was there, how to remove this man from their house. So one day what happens, this doctor, Dr. Sadao, he shares the secret with the general. Why? Because the general liked this doctor very much. Okay. And he tells him everything. So general, he favors Dr. Sadao, and he says, ki you do not need to worry. I am going to send my assassins. Who are the assassins? The murderers. Okay. Now this man, he was kept in the room that belonged to Dr. Sadao's father, and this room had two entrances. One that opened inside the house, and the other that opened towards the garden. Clear? So general, he asked Dr. Sadao to keep the door that opens towards the garden open. He's going to send his assassins, his murderers. They are going to kill him. Inward bleeding would be there, no outward bleeding would be there. Okay. Inward injuries they are going to do, and he would be killed. And they will carry on the body also. They will remove the body from there. Right? समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
They will remove the body from there, and nobody will come to know. Okay? And in this manner, Dr. Sadao would be saved. अब जनरल बहुत फेवर करता है, बहुत पसंद करता है डॉक्टर सदाओ को. Okay? तो कहते हैं इस तरह से तुम सेव भी हो जाओगे, है ना, किसी को कोई शक भी नहीं होगा. बाद में ये होगा कि एट नाइट ही माइट हैव रन अवे. ओके, डॉक्टर सदाओ तो लाए थे कि उसको ट्रीट करके ही विल हैंड हिम टू द पुलिस. ये एक एक्सक्यूज हो जाएगा. Now what happens? The first night Dr. Sada was not able to sleep. Why? Because he was in this कि भाई अभी assassins आ रहे हैं और उसको लेकर जा रहे हैं. So next morning when he got up, he went into the room of the prisoner. He was there. Second night also he just waited, and next day when he gets up, he goes into the room, but the prisoner was not there. He was not murdered as said by general. Third day also it happens. Okay. Now Dr. Sadao, he cannot tolerate this burden anymore. Even Hannah, she was very much tensed. And finally, what Dr. Sadao decides, that anyhow, I'm going to make this man run away from here. Okay. So he doesn't tell Hannah anything. Quietly, he goes to the market. He buys a quilt for this man. He buys all the eatables. Okay. And he arranges everything for this man. And he also gives him his boat. And he tells him, he just put a black cloth on his head so that his blunt hair, okay, brown hair, couldn't be noticed by anybody. As Japanese and Chinese, they have got dark, silky hair. So to hide his blonde hair, he just ties a black cloth on his head, and he gives him his boat. He gives him all the eatable items, water, quilt, and everything, and tells him, and also his torch, okay, that he used when he was there for the night duties, and tells him that he has to take the boat to the island that existed in the sea. है ना? He gestures, he showed him the island that existed in the sea. Nobody lives there. है ना? वो बताता है कि वो आइलैंड जो सी में है वहां तक जाना, वहां कोई नहीं रहता है. Why? Because this island gets submerged into water when the high seas or when the sea storm is there. सी स्टॉर्म होता है तो ये आइलैंड सबमर्ज हो जाता है, डूब जाता है पानी में. तो वहां कोई हैबिटेशन वगैरह कुछ नहीं है. नो पीपल आर लिविंग देयर. उसको टॉर्च वगैरह देता है, कहता है कि वहां पहुंच जाओ तो एक फ्लैश लाइट देना इन द लेट इवनिंग, नॉट एट लाइट, अदरवाइज द फ्लैश लाइट वुड बी सीन. If the food runs short, then also you give me a flashlight. Okay. और फिर वहां पर कहता है कि वहां से ना, you just wait for the Korean fishing boats that pass by that island. Clear or not? कहता है वहां से कोरियन फिशिंग बोट्स पास होंगी, उनका वेट करना. When they pass, stop one of them, get into the boat, and you will be safely out of this country. You will be safe. You would be saved. Okay. And he asked him not to light any kind of fire. Why? Because fire could be seen by anybody. Okay. कहता है कि कोई फायर वगैरह मत जलाना, जो फिश है उनको रॉ पकड़ना, कच्ची खा लेना उनको, लेकिन फायर जो है लाइट अप मत करना. Okay. Now this man, he is very thankful to this doctor. Okay. Thanks him a lot. In this manner, he goes away and prisoner of war is saved. Now this thing was not even shared to his wife by the doctor. Okay. Or lastly, when he goes to the general, now general, he feels very much sorry that he was not able to send the assassins. बहुत sorry feel करता है, कई बार इससे sorry मांगता है डॉक्टर सदाव से कि I was not able to fulfill my promise. Why? Because उसकी कंडीशन खराब हो जाती है and he had an emergency operation. Okay. और ये समझ जाता है कि जनरल जो है उसके मुट्ठी में ही है, राइट. और उसको कुछ नहीं कहता है कि I just did this to the man, I made him run away or nothing like that. Okay. Or finally the day comes when he's free from all these tensions. The American prisoner, he goes away. Okay. General did not suspect him for making him run away from the place. Okay. General भी suspect नहीं करता उसको. And फिर वो खड़ा हो जाता है वहीं veranda में. The day comes when he is there in the veranda thinking how a man came out of the sea, what had happened, how did he save him, and finally a bitterness, it comes on him, it comes in his heart, and he says, why did I save an American? Clear? Because Japanese are dead enemies of Americans. लेकिन वो सोचता है कि मैंने उसको क्यों बचाया, अमेरिकन से तो बहुत नफरत करते हैं जापान के लोग, but as a doctor, okay, he saved his life. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Tomorrow, remind me to give you the questions. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
चलिए, goodbye, take care.
Thank you, ma'am.